part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. English has 8 main parts of speech. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Maria smiled. We visited the park. The cat slept. Love is powerful. The teacher laughed. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. For example, she is happy. He runs fast. It is raining. They are my friends. We love reading. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. For example, cat is under table. He is beside me. Book is on desk. Walk through park. Ball is in box. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. For example, the dog is very big. She has a red dress. He is a tall boy. I have a small cat. The sky is very blue. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. For example, he runs quickly. She speaks softly. They walked slowly. He works hard. She sings beautifully. Verb. A verb expresses action, occurrence, or a state of being. For example, birds fly. The baby cried. She runs daily. He is tired. They play. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, I like tea and milk. He is tired but happy. Tea or coffee. Run and jump. I stayed because it rained. Interjection. An interjection expresses sudden emotion or feeling. For example, wow, amazing. Oh, I forgot. Ouch, it hurts. Yay, we won. Oops, I dropped it.